Hey y'all, this is Dayanch from Terminal 15. Today we're working on the Ford Focus. This thing has automated shifted manual transmission, and the problem is, so it has codes for input, output shaft sensors. It's got a code for clutch travel position sensor, and a few mechanics, a few shops already checked it before me. They replaced this computer. As you can see, this is a transmission ECU, and they did replace these wires, they did replace the sensors, but they didn't replace the actuators itself. So what I'm doing here is I'm checking the continuity from computer to the actuator connector. So here I've got all the diagrams. If you go here, you can see clutch motor number 1, first pin, white pink. It's gonna be 58 at the computer transmission control module, C15, C1750B. This one is actuator, and this one is for computer. But the top one is not the one we need, so because this is 1750A, we need 1750B. Let me pull that out. Alright, now let's check the continuity between this and this pins, number 1 and 58. Put it to resistance mode. Number 1, and we need number 58. 58 is this. Okay, we've got a continuity here. So now we're looking for number 2, which is gonna be pink, and 19 at the computer connector. So let me switch to the number 2. Just gently insert the pins because you might damage them. I go with number 2, now number 3. Brown and blue, 45. Here's 45. Okay. Number 4. Gotta be white, and I think it's brown. White and brown. Yes, white and brown goes to the number 32. Okay, 33, 32. There we are. And the last one, number 5. It's going to be black and white. 57. 58, 57. Alright. We've got all signal wires are good. Now we're gonna be checking these 3 power and ground lines. Alright, so now let's check the phase. It's called phase for the Ford. There's phase U, V, W. We're gonna be checking phase U, which is white, number 6 on the actuator connector, and the number 6 on the computer connector. Let me make sure which one was the 6. Okay, 6 is going to be this. Alright, let's check 7, which is white and black, and number 4 on the computer connector, phase W. Okay. Number 8 is going to be a white and pink. 5 at the connector, computer connector. Alright, so they did replace the ECU, the transmission control module, which I believe is good. We did check the wiring. Now we're gonna be checking these actuators. I'm gonna go ahead and remove both of them, the one at the bottom and the one on the top. As you can see, that it's just the 4 bolts right here. I believe it's E8. Alright, in order to replace or remove the clutch actuators on a Ford Focus, I'm not sure what year is it. Это в экзайте.
Да ничего. Let's go show the body type, you guys will figure out yourself.
Yeah, let me see, hold on. We got the plates here.
So this is the Ford Focus Flex SE.
I already removed the scanner, you were saying something.
But we'll put it in the description what year is it,
Yes.
what model is it, so just follow and subscribe.
Yeah. Alright, so you will need E8, this type of socket, just a regular ratchet. Break it loose. Можете вырубать. Alright, and you're gonna just remove it like this. As you can see, there are gears, so you just want to make sure when you install it. Actually, after each time after replacing these actuators, you have to do adaptations. If you don't have scanner, there's no way you can do it, unfortunately. Сейчас я это возьму. So to remove this actuator, the bottom one, or number 2, you have to remove the undercover. Not all the bolts, but just the front ones. It's a D30 bolt. You can just remove and place like this. And it's simple, as you can see, just 4 bolts as a top one. Alright, so we did remove the actuator. It comes pretty easily. If you are on the East Coast or Northern State, it might come out kind of hard. That's why Ford put this type of, you see, like a cut here, so you can pry it, or usually they do have some kind of like a removal tool, the dealership, but we don't need it. We're from Texas, we don't have rust here. Also, after I remove that, as you can see here, all this material, this is a clutch dust. So clutch is coming to replacement pretty soon. This thing's just got 77,000 miles on it, but here's the reality on this transmissions. You want to change your clutch every 80,000 miles or so. If you, depends how you drive. If you drive aggressively, sometimes even 60,000 miles, 50,000 miles. I've seen ones they replace a clutch at 50,000 miles. It's actually just a regular transmission, the manual transmission. They're just actuators and all the mechanism that controls the shift drum. Okay, so for each actuator, you want to check the resistance of the position sensors. So you can see here the diagram, Hall effect, and let's see. Alright, so you want to check these Hall effect wires. Hall effect is basically the position sensor. Alright, white brown, it's gonna be 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, let's go.
Let's check that. You set it to this. Check the resistance.
You set it
To resistance, as you can see.
resistance.
Resistance.
You didn't press any of that, right?
You can press it. You can press it if you want to call it, so it will just beep if there's continuity. But
Okay.
I don't need that. I just want to check the resistance. Okay, we've got 5 kilo ohms here. That's between 2 and 3. We're gonna get the other one. It's 5.2. So now from 3 to 4. Here's 5 kilo ohms. And here, from 3 to 4, we got 5. So there might be a little over because of the temperatures. Remember, the temperature is the most important thing for the resistance. Now we're gonna check number 2 and number 4. 5 in here, 5. Alright guys, so we did test these actuators. They do work. The position sensors, they do work. Now what we're gonna do is we have to check what's going on with the with the position sensors on the back, input, output, shaft position sensors, because if they have some kind of short and it goes to the computer and position sensor from actuator and the input shaft, output shaft, position sensors signal goes to the same microcomputer, it might cause a short on this line too, and that's why it's causing that code. So follow the page. We will check the connectors next time.
All right. What's going on is Dayanch said diagnose other things. With this car, previous owner said that rats ate up some wires inside, all kinds of things. So he did change a lot of wires. So Dayanch diagnosed it. And the problem was, you said, only back tires rotate, the front ones doesn't respond, right?
No, so basically, it was actually, the car was drivable, it was good, but from shop to shop, they replaced the computer, they replaced the wirings, they tried to fix those wirings where the mouse chewed up, and after, they don't really know, that's what I tried to figure out, but they don't really know after what it stopped going forward. It was not going forward at all. And today I did some adaptations. Since they couldn't do adaptations, I did it with my scanner. I did the shift drum adaptations, I did transmission range position adaptations, and I did clutch adaptations. They passed all the adaptations, and it started working. It started going forward, but it's jerking. Like, it can't release the clutch properly, like you do. Like, when you first learn how to drive manual, you release the clutch, and it starts jerking. It's doing the same thing. So first of all, we have to get rid of those codes, and in order that, as you can see, we're doing diagnostics.
All right, guys. So follow our page. We'll keep working on it. We'll see what's going on. And if you guys have any comments, just comment or any questions. We'll be fixing all kinds of cars. All right.